This is Motorola Moto G73, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can add an event to calendar on this device. So to start, we will need to go ahead and launch the Google Calendar app. Then, sign into your Gmail account if you haven't already, you know the drill. Then once at the app itself, choose the date that you would like to create an event on. I'll go with perhaps 30th of March. Will do. Then at the bottom right corner of your display, tap at this plus sign, choose an event. In here set in here you can customize your event and fulfill all its arrange it to your liking. Make sure that it corresponds with the actual event. So let's say I'll name it as the Bachelor. Oh my god, what's wrong with my typing, man? So I'll name it the Bachelor Party. Then you can make this event to occur or to happen the entire date or entire day, all day, or you can set certain time frames for it. You can change the time zone, make it repetitive, invite some other event participants, add the link to the video conference call, add location, choose when you would like to be reminded about this event, set some custom color for it so you will be able to easily recognize it, add a description and attach a file if you want to. Then save this event. Now it can be found at the set date. You can tap on it, check the details, edit the details by tapping at this pencil icon, or delete the event entirely by going for this additional context menu and choosing the delete option. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching and bye bye.